Hey, Temple and Howard. We're going to do writing lesson 10 today. So the expectations are the same as always. You need a piece of paper and a pencil. If you don't have that, this is your time to go and get it. We also are, if you see the symbol, this means that you're listening and participating. And if you see the keyboard, that means that you're going to be entering something onto Google Forms. So our objectives, I want you to read them in your head. Today, we're going to focus in this video on scholars will be able to interpret questions. In the next video, we'll worry about this objective. So I want you to say it with me. Scholars will be able to interpret questions. So interpret is a big word for understand. So that means we're just looking at questions and planning our answers for them. All right, so remember, last week we were practicing this and the week before, but this week we're having more complicated questions so that we can really push ourselves when we're learning. So the example that I'm going to talk through is, you have a ticket in your hand. Where will you go? What will you do? So I want you to tell me right now what the question words in that question are. You can reread it to yourself if you need to. The two question words are where and what. So if I have a where question, I need to have a place in my answer. And if I have a what question, I need to think about things or events. So I'm going to use that information to help you plan my answer for this question. You have a ticket in your hand. Where will you go and what will you do? So to plan my answer, I need a place and things or events that I'm going to do when I get to that place. So that's two things that I need for that question. The next question. Many people have interests or talents. What is your interest or talent, and why is that your interest or talent? So I want you to identify or find the question words now. Say them. So everybody should be telling me that the question word is what, and the other question word is why. So what do I need as I'm planning my answer? Tell me. So since I have a what question, I'm going to need a thing that's my interest or talent. And I'm also going to need the reason that this is my interest or talent. If you said that, amazing job. If you need help, maybe you gave a different answer, remember you can always use this as a tool. This is one that you're going to do. So yours is, some people say laughter is the best medicine. Why do you think people say this? So you're going to go to, when this video is done, you're going to go to Google Forms and you're going to answer questions 1 and 2. The slide is right here for you. You're going to answer the question, what is the question word in the question? And then this is the question. Some people say laughter is the best medicine. Why do people think this? So you're going to tell me if the question word is some, why, cool, or how. Then you're going to do number 2. What do you need to plan for the question above? So using this information, this question word that you just found, what do you need as you're thinking about planning your answer? Now, before you go and do that, I just want to tell you guys why it's so important to plan our answer. Because in second grade, a lot of times I'm seeing scholars who aren't answering the question. So we're just quickly reading the question and not really thinking about it deeply. And then we're giving the wrong answer because we're not fully understanding the question. So we really want to take the time, like we're doing now during writing, to stop and think about those question words and think about what we need as we're planning so that we can see if our answers match our plan so that we have a full, complete, correct answer. I'm excited to see your guys' work. When you're done with this, you're going to go to the next video.